Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to hard reset the Xiaomi Redmi 9A through recovery mode. To get started we will need to power off the device, so let's hold the power key, select power off, and wait for it to shut off. Once it is shut off, hold the power key and volume up at the same time. Once you see the Redmi logo, you can let go. From here, we can't tap. We have to use volume keys to navigate. Navigate down to wipe data, press power key to confirm it, then press power key once more and select confirm. Once it's finished, as you can see data wipe successful, all you need to do now is press power key to reboot. This will initiate reboot and also continue the reset of the device in the background. Once it's finished, we should be greeted with the Android setup screen. As you can see now, the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.